Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you that how you can change email address of your Fiverr account. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your Fiverr account and go to the settings page. Go to the settings page, you can click on your profile image and then click on the settings button and it will take you to the settings button. After that, make sure on the left side, click on the account button in order to change your email address. Now here you will see your previous email written here. You can simply type in a new email address and then click on the save changes button. That will add your new email address to your Fiverr account. They will send a confirmation code on your email address, so make sure you actually know the password of your email. So log into your email and confirm that you want to change your email address, and after that your new email will be added to your Fiverr account. And that's how simple it is to update your email of Fiverr account. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.